Hi, I'm Sneha. I'm currently pursuing BSS Advanced Diploma in Montessori and Primary Education at Wonderbase Montessori Training Institute, and I have also applied for BSS and WSC certificate. Thank you. Now let's see about the story of the pot. Okay, it is not just the pot, it is a cracked pot. So in human beings also we have advantages and disadvantages. So let's see what are the advantages and disadvantages this pot is facing now through this story. So, as you can see in the picture, the man is carrying two pots on his shoulders. On his shoulders, the man is carrying. So, the man daily he used to go to the well and bring water in these two pots. But when returning to the home, only the finest pot has full water, and this broken or cracked pot has empty water. And the pot got very upset and it started telling a man, you can just throw me because I'm on no use to you, because when we got home back there will be no water left. Here I am taking a bath for the hygiene, taking a bath for the hygiene. So next routine, the boy asked again, piggy finger, where are you? Here I am eating healthy food, eating healthy food. So the boy asked again, piggy finger, where are you? Here I am doing my homework. So these are the habits we learned from the piggy finger today. So these are the habits every children must follow after going. See, when I write is, I am taking left curve and there goes with the right. So we have written yes. So how does the yes make a sound? S make a sound as s. S make a sound as s. If we are going to do that with action, we are going to do s. So we have a phonics sound song for this, that is about the snake. Okay, the snake is, we can see it's in the grass. So the snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass, making a noise of making a noise of so we have seen about the rhymes. Now let's see about the story of this yes through few characters. So we have sparrow, we have a snake. Okay, so the snake saw the sparrow singing a beautiful and a melodious song. So the snake went to the sparrow and asked, can you please help me to sing a song like you? But whatever the conversation was there, it was through because that is how the snake speaks. The sparrow got scared and it flew away. Seeing that, the snake got very shamed and it went to its friend snail and started telling the story how the sparrow went and embarrassed the snake. So the snail said, yes, you do sound a bit scary, but the snake replied, that is not the scary sound. That is how I talk to you. That is the sound how I make. So this both started making a sound of and became our friends. So now we came to know how the yes sounded. Yes sounded as. Thank you. Now we are going to see about solar system. What is solar system? Solar system is made up of the sun and also 8 other objects. Those objects are known as planets. So we are going to see that each planets now. So we have a sun here, we have a sun and all the 8 other planets that revolve around the sun, that means that they will be moving around the sun. So the first one is Mercury. Mercury is very closest to the sun and it is very hot during the day and also cold during the night. And next comes the Venus. Venus is also known as the twin of the earth because of its size. We can see Venus and also earth. Now they both have the similar size, so they are called as twins. And also we have seen about Mercury, Venus, earth. Now we are going to see about Mars. Mars has 3 moons and as it is red in color, we call it as red Mars or red planet. Now we can see about Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. See, next to sun we have a Jupiter, so which is very large. So Jupiter is the largest planet and it is made up of gas. It is also called as gas giant solar system. And now we are going to see about Saturn. We can see the beautiful circle here, beautiful ring. So Saturn is known for its beautiful ring, and Uranus, which is blue in color, is very cold, and Neptune is the farthest, as the Mercury is the near to the sun and Neptune is farthest, and it is very windy. That means the wind blows very fast, and like any other solar system planets, so this also revolve around the sun. So this is about the solar system. Thank you. Now we are going to see about the fractions. So let's see the fractions through this module. So we have a watermelon here, for example, to modulate the fractions. So when I say fractions, it is means, for example, if we have whole watermelon and this watermelon we take one part, this part is known as fractions. So whatever this is there, so we are not going to consider this thing, only the part we take is fractions. And we have totally 8 types of fractions. Before seeing the types, let's see the parts of fractions. So the fraction is represented by that means 1 by 2 or 1 by 3, whatever the number it is, we are representing it is by. So this is numerator and this is denominator, numerator and denominator. So when I say numerator, that means whatever the part we are going to eat or whatever the part we are going to take, that is numerator. And when I say denominator, how many parts I have, that is known as denominator. First one is proper fractions. So for example, I have cut the watermelon into 4 pieces. So the proper fraction means I have 4 pieces of watermelon, and in this I can take 3, 2, 1. That means lesser than 4. That is known as proper fraction. I can take 2 now. So as you can see here, 1 and 2. Next comes improper fraction. In improper fraction, I'm going to take the same denominator, but here I'm going to take more than what I have. That means 5 by 4. I'm going to take one from next watermelon. Next is mixed fraction. In mixed fraction, I'm going to consume this one whole watermelon, and also I am going to borrow half from my friend. So that is 1 by 2, which is easy to identify. Next, we are going to see unit fraction. Unit means it is represented by 1. So the same example I'm going to take here, 4, but we are going to take only one piece here. So that is 1 by 4. And non-unit fraction. Non-unit in the sense 4, but I'm going to take more than 1. So that is 3, 2 or 4, whatever it is, but I'm not going to take 1. And next we are going to see the like fraction. Like fraction always have same denominator. That means here I have 2 watermelons, but I have cut the 2 watermelons into 4 pieces. But the part which I am going to eat from each watermelon are different. Here I am going to take 1 piece, here I am going to take 2 pieces. And now we are going to see about equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Here the numbers may look different, but whatever we are consuming, that is same. For example, I have cut this watermelon. So today we are going to see about preposition of place. So we have many preposition. In that we are going to see particularly about place. Place means the way I am standing now, where I am standing. If I sit, where I will sit. So today we are going to see that through few characters. Here I have a characters in the chat. So we are going to see that. So the frog, here we can see there is a frog. If I take one mushroom into consideration, then the frog is next to mushroom. The frog is next to mushroom. And if I take 2 mushroom into consideration, the frog is in between because it is in the middle. And also this bird, if I place this bird backside of the tree, then it is beside. Then it is beside. If the same bird comes from the middle of the tree, then it is inside. And also we have a monkey here. It is hanging on the branch and it is carrying a post box. In the post box we have few of the cards. So the cards are inside. The cards are inside, and above the tree there is a bird above. If it is up, then we call it as above. Above the tree there is a bird, and next to bird there is a rainbow. And also here we can see the monkey is here, and below the monkey, as it is down, below the monkey there is a bird. So like this we are going to see the place of the particular objects or the characters. So that particular characters or the objects position, what we are going to know, that is known as preposition of place. Thank you.